In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil on a 2021 Ford Edge. Pretty simple process. You are going to use the directional pad here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And what you're going to do is press to the left. Then it'll pull up this screen here. You're going to press the down arrow until you get to settings. Then press the OK button on the steering wheel. Then you're going to go into vehicle, press the right arrow. Then you're going to go down to oil life, press the right arrow again. Once you're on oil life, you'll see that this one has just been reset, or the oil change has just been done. And to reset, I'm just going to press and hold the OK button. Now it's at 100%. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.